Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to cook vegetarian bites. First, ensure your bites are properly prepared. Many varieties come dehydrated, requiring a simple rehydration step before cooking. This usually involves soaking them in hot water or broth for about 10 to 15 minutes until they are tender. Once rehydrated, gently squeeze out any excess liquid to ensure they brown nicely and absorb your chosen seasonings effectively. Once your bites are rehydrated and excess liquid is removed, it's time to infuse them with flavor. A simple marinade for 20 minutes can make a huge difference. Consider a blend of soy sauce, ginger, garlic, and a touch of sesame oil for an Asian-inspired dish. Alternatively, use smoked paprika, cumin, and oregano for a more savory, robust profile. This step is crucial for ensuring your bites are delicious and not bland. Vegetarian bites are incredibly versatile and can be cooked using several methods. For a crispy texture, pan-fry them in a tablespoon of oil over medium-high heat for about 5 to 7 minutes, stirring occasionally until golden brown. You can also bake them at 400 degrees Fahrenheit for 15 to 20 minutes for a firmer bite. For dishes like curries or stews, simply add the bites directly to the simmering sauce during the last 10 minutes of cooking, allowing them to soak up all the delicious flavors. Now that your vegetarian bites are cooked, it's time to enjoy them. They pair wonderfully with a variety of dishes. Serve them over fluffy rice or pasta, or incorporate them into vibrant stir-fries with your favorite vegetables. For a quick meal, add them to wraps or tacos with fresh salsa and avocado. Don't be afraid to experiment with different sauces, from a zesty lemon herb dressing to a rich mushroom gravy, to discover your perfect flavor combination.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.